Hey guys, here's the last Hunter Low profile that I got. This one's from the same date. It's from the third week of 2005. The blades do have a bit of a sag on them, but you know, it's not really a huge deal. This one doesn't hum, and the bearings in this one are perfectly fine. Which is kind of shocking because this one does have a corroded pull chain and screws. But anyway, here we go. Here's low. Here's medium. Forgot to mention there's actually a liquor store around the corner from my house that has one of these. Completely forgot about that place, but it's still there. But it's a medium. This one seems to be going a little bit slower than the other two, but here's high. Yeah, I'm thinking the capacitor might be bad in this one, now that I'm seeing the high speed. It's not going as fast as the other ones are. And anyways, that's about it for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.